Oh, okay, alright. There you go. Okay, fine. Oh my god. Alright. Sorry for the delay, guys. Just I couldn't set the fucking transmission. Alright, so we were looking at US 100, and today I'm bullish. No, well, actually, like, according to the daily, I'm bearish because we closed below the last previous daily low, but in the 4-hour price got into a 4-hour fair value gap, respected, and just quickly left fair value gap. And this is like a sweep of liquidity, but yeah. So I got a little late, unfortunately. So we have the expansion, we have a low accumulation. Alright, so we have the expansion here. Very nice. Unfortunately I entered late. Fortunately, it's stupid. Here we have another block. This was my model, but when I saw it, it was already too late. So what we can do is now enter on this, like, on the retracement. But I have two options. First, I mean, look, if we will displace higher this low, which is low, the candle that validated this fair value gap, I want to see it get respected, not disrespected. So I will wait until I see price until I see price retrace to some level. Maybe the inversion. I mean, if it touch, if I see price give me another opportunity with this 5-minute CIC, great. I don't think so, but wait. So what I could do, because we also price also swept London's highs, so this is not that easy to. I mean, this is looking bullish. What's the problem? I mean, we already swept London's high, so we might be on or in an accumulation or in a reversal. This is just so perfect. The price came down, touched the 5-minute CIC, respect the bullish for body gap. It's looking too bullish. Just it's important to know where does price want to go next, because maybe the bullish objective was this high right here, and it already took it. So you see, I could have entered again here. See it perfectly. But what's the problem? I as I said, I'm bearish in the daily. And pressure already swept for me the bullish objective, and oh shit. And as you see here, we might have an SMT. Oh no, we don't. Okay, that's fine. But this is a sweep. Price didn't run over these highs, so I'm just expecting a reversal right here. Same. Can put here by side, here also by side liquidity, and we just I mean, we should close below, but it's pretty obvious that price will close below this 5-minute Republic gap and inversing. So if I'm going short, I would like to see price. Okay, this will be like a continuation, because the reversal is like it already happened here. Plus, price respect is 1-minute CIC. So if let me see. Okay, it's not like we have many objectives. We have no session high or low. We only have this body gap here, 3-minute body gap with this swing low, which seems pretty nice. Okay, this could be our entry right here. But before I need to take some this 24 minutes. The fuck is this? No. Okay, anyways, I'm just measuring. I'm just trying to put this shit right. Well, looks like we might be bullish again. I don't get why this wrong. Minus. What the fuck is wrong with this? god, bro, why this shit is wrong? Well, anyways, 50 pips. Wait, actually, maybe this is just a reversal, like a reversal on high time frame. Oh shit. Okay, price actually respected. I thought it won't, it wouldn't, but it did. This is just a breaker model. A low, high, low, low. Now we make a high, high. The only problem is where do we put our stop loss? Because if we enter on this breaker, which is kinda big, right? Can't put our stop loss here because it will be way too much stop loss. And I will be aiming at, let's see. So you have these aims, these objectives. There you go. See. I mean, we could enter here on this 1 minute order block as well. The only problem, as I said before, we have too much stop loss. I mean, we could take this fair value gap as breakaway gap because the next candle expanded as well. But maybe I would prefer and wait until I see price. Maybe retrace back and create another swing low within this fair value. That's fine. Okay, any kind of retracements here are perfectly fine, totally valid. So we already broke the let's say we already create the structure. My only problem is where the hell do I put my stop loss? I don't want to put it here because it's too much stop loss. It's 64 pips. I mean, I can still do it with less amount, but just at 3 units. Oh no, right now. No, what the fuck? Alright, I mean, it could be better, but it is what it is. So now we have many other options. So yeah, if Bright does not retrace back here, I think I will just open in a continuation model. All right. I mean, it looks like we won't even retrace back. Maybe after sweeping this. I doubt for a moment about the bias, but okay, it's fine. I'll just wait. Price trace back. Like, oh my god. I mean, our next objective will be this. It's like far from what we want. But alright. Guess we'll just need to wait for retracements. Still it's 9:53. We're on macros already. just lost the opportunity of a lifetime. Man, this right here was so perfect. Like, bro, what the fuck is this? Fucking can. Okay, I mean, if we're bullish, in this case, we will take all these highs above here. But before that, I mean, price should retrace at some point. This here. Maybe now price will make some kind of retracements. Oh my god. You know, one of the hardest things on this on trading is accepting that you lost. It's really hard because you need to like acknowledge yourself that you made a mistake. And sometimes that's really hard because your perfectional senses, I mean, you have a perfect strategy, you have a nice setup. You see, how could I ever lose this opportunity? But you did. So, I mean, there's nothing you could do but wait for another opportunity to appear and just take advantage of it. Yeah, sometimes it's like, are you stupid or what? Now, if we're retracing, I would like to see this candle's body close, maybe below mean threshold, not so above. Fuck. When we will retracement. Fuck this shit. Come on, it's not that hard. This is the fair value gap that I want to see price retracing. Maybe this one now, maybe because this Is this just we can take this as break even as break and wake up. But this was the candle that broke and violated this order block. So this is special. Let me see this something. Okay, so this is first percent. I don't know. Yeah, this is first percentage for body. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, bro. Retracement. Yeah, like before sweeping all these highs, I need to see price retrace low. So now I'm cooked. Like literally. Like no. Bro. I think we're finally retracing. Plus another thing that annoys me is like after you missed an entry, like a perfect entry, you're anxious, you're stressed, like to see price retrace back into your like into another entry. You're like, I mean that if you miss an entry, like if you miss an opportunity, after that you will be like very anxious and you have a lot of stress when waiting for price to create another opportunity. Like, come on, bro, hurry up, hurry the fuck up. But anyways, if like we just embrace this, so I would expect price to use it as support. My stop loss will be at what a question. One option is to put in here because in most of the cases, this first fair value gap is a breakup wake up, so it's not traded into. It's like, let me see. Let me see if I find an example. Like this one here, you see, price expands. Like this is the first fair value. Price expands. I embrace this little fair value gap, then expands higher. When you have like the first fair value gap and another fair value gaps on top, and more expansion, usually this is not traded into. You see here, price just retraced little and smoothly into this fair value gap. Well, the 930 fair value gap, pretty nice. Then expands higher, but yeah, this fair value is not trading into. So it's just like you could see it as a expansion, accumulation, now expansion, retracement back, and now accumulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, and that's the whole cycle. So this fair value gap, I think I won't like to see trading into. So I think I will just put my stop loss. And if like if I'm aiming, I will aim I think at these highs. Relative equalize. This I think is way too much. I mean, I think we could do something right here, but like already with this, I have enough. But this will be my final. Yeah. For tomorrow, guys, you already know we're bullish. 100%. 100%. Okay, so I will enter in any kind of retracement next week because I need to be on this movement. Like probably at 10:30 we'll expand more. And after I might get trade, if I do, I'll just do a little recap of what we of what happened today. All right. So this here's equilibrium. Best case scenario, price will retrace back to the fair value gap, touch the 5-minute CISD, maybe just the week. It's fine if it doesn't react on the body. It's fine. Maybe this top right here will be the most like the like the price level with the amount of confluences. This is the issue. If I put it here, let's say, if we open here, 100 pips. Oh shit. Uh, 50. I mean, I would like to make it smaller. I could do this actually. And I could even do. No, wait, hold on. What if we introduce fair value gap? ICT says that we should put our sub loss on the, in this case, on the low of the first candle. Like if you enter on this one, you should put your stop loss on this one. If you're short, for example, if you enter on this fair value gap, you see price comes back, comes up, and you put your stop loss up here, and that's with everything. Alright, here's the same. If you're doing this for body gap, you should put your stop loss on the third one, well, here on this swing low. You got me. You got what I said. Alright, so let's do something. This here. Put it there. And I will put like last time I was a bit stupid and I said 10 units and I lost, like I had a risk management mistake, so I lost more than I could afford. That was my issue, and now I will start to set higher like I will start putting more money, because if this is supposed to be like an evaluation, I can't do it for more than, I don't know, a month. It has to be fast. It's supposed to be fast. So this will be 1% of my whole account. Like of the 50k, this is 1%, which is not that much. And think that the main idea is that you should make, well, in the best case scenario, 1k per trade. 1k per trade, you know how much is? Like if you make 3 trades, like this one, in 3 days, you could already pass your eval. I think I will set it here. This will be the best case scenario. If price does retrace back, just chopping right. Okay, maybe now for this 15-minute candle closes. It would be nice to have some chat, I like to have people send messages. It will be kind of more entertaining. That's fine. We will have that at some point. And I should also start making more, like I should start making videos, like shorts, because I feel that will give me a bit of like redundancy within the trading community, and will probably call more attention than just normal videos. Oh fuck, it's not the best closing when it comes to retracing. Nah, you're joking. Bro. Come on, bro. Put that shit down, bro. Retrace. kidding? Like we have two chances. Like I don't think price will would continue all the way up until here without making any retracement. Look, if we do not fuck shit. Look, if oh my god. As we're not retracing, I think I might just open like a continuation, because this is really not giving any kind of hope. Like you know the issue, maybe now I will enter in a continuation, and then price up starts going down and retracing. It happened already one time. Oh, it would be so nice if price comes down and just sweeps this high, closes below, trace back, you know, touch the order block, went too long. Bro, what the fuck? Wait, what? Oh shit, I forgot about it. No, but we're fine. Don't worry, guys. We're fine. We're totally fine. Now we have to put this here. Please, this place lower. This place lower, bitch. We need that retracement. Yes. We want that retracement. Are you kidding? You're joking. I mean, we actually like retrace back into this. Bro, the fuck? Like, I'm not going to trust this because it could easily be a just a sweep and then place lower, but I need a bit more of trust in this. It's not really giving me continuation vibes, you know. Guess I will just wait and pray. I mean, this is kind of accumulation. It's not really clear what they're showing, but what I see from this price, just a react on the new threshold of this 1 hour for value gap. And if I do want to open here, no, it's just shitty price section. Why so hard, bro, to retrace? It's not a big deal. Now it's a lobby choppy. Nah, but before. kidding. Look, we're not having a great delivery here. Mm. Okay, officially I won't do anything here. Fuck this market. Fuck everything. Okay, we'll do a little recount. What the fuck is this, man? How the fuck am I supposed to enter here? This. What is this fucking retracement? Not even the first quarter. Awful. Awful. Okay, fuck this shit. A little recap. So for our For Boliga, price retracing trade, we have a sweep of relatively equal lows. Price stayed above, out of the fair value gap in 1 hour time frame. On the 5-minute, price is placed. Price is placed, London highs. When it trace back, I missed an opportunity because kinda retarded. Price respect 5-minute fair value gap, we expanded higher. My enter should be here. It wasn't, unfortunately, and the stop was here. So it should be like something like this, or maybe here, but this was way too much stop loss. It's right here, and you could just aim up to this high. That's already a lot. 100 pips, that's more than enough. Or if you were optimistic to here or here, that's perfect. Unfortunately, the price is shitty, so it did not retrace back into any of these fucking confluences. It's just the first fucking, like the last fair value gap. Who knows why. So yeah, my entry should have been here, and the retracement back, maybe at the top of the order block, or at the open of the body. It's fine, either both were fine. My stop loss should have been right here, and I take profit. Well, here. I mean, the objectives were clear, but we did not have a proper entry. That's the only thing I missed. I mean, maybe we'll see a reversal now, hopefully. In the best case scenario. There you go. Swept everything. Relative equal highs we have here. Price just swept relative equal highs. Here we have a big ass SMT. Let's have a look. We hope this is a reversal and we can enter in some kind of short. Okay. And still this high is fine. Yeah, hope we just reverse this. Right, so in order for this to be reversed, probably now we'll just accumulate and go sideways because well, price just swept 2 previous day highs, so it's logical that it creates some kind of accumulation, or maybe it'll reverse directly. It can either do both. I don't care if price retrace or inverse, just need the price to go down. I wouldn't be sure to buy here at this point. Premium is way too premium. It's way too premium to buy. Not the best scenario, not the best case to buy. But in order for price to reverse, what I want to see is right, first let me see this. Okay, in order for price to reverse, I want to see in the 5-minute. I mean, first of all, I want to see a sweep. So price in this 6-minute that has left, most likely if we reverse, price should close below this level. that will make like that's more of a proper sweep and then a reversal and just a run over these highs. After that, at least in the 3 minute, like a reversal. I mean, we have this whole movement here, and the only thing we have near is this for Bali on this one, but it's not created yet. If I could adjust aim for key levels like this, like 25 to 100. And obviously I wanna see price inverse this one. Yeah, the problem is just that like the structure I wanna see if we will inverse is that price, at least in the 3 minute, I wanna see price obviously inverse a fair value gap, a bullish one, so you should inverse this one in order to go until here. I would also like to see price also in 3 minute. The best case scenario will be in the 5 minute to break a CISD lower. He will be just choppy price section, so it's fine. We could enter short. The problem is that price might inverse this one, but later on may come to this for Bali gap and respect it and then go higher. So you need to be very clear when it comes to reversal and narrative and structure. So you can enter a reversal in short time frame, like in small time frame, because you don't know whether if it's a reversal or a retracement. So yeah, that's why I don't want to open in the 1 minute. Like if I open in the 1 minute, like if price inverse this for Bali up here, I will aim maybe at this. That's it. Max this. Because as I said, is you don't know when price will reverse or retrace or whatever. Okay, price still did not take this high, previously high. Okay, if we will be bearish reversal, the 2 minute that has left, price will come down. This means in lower time frame breaking this like this structure here, and the better in the best case breaking the CISD and inversing this Fibonacci graph. And just like if you didn't enter maybe here between 9:30 and 9:40, you make max this one here, but you wouldn't have any other like maybe this, like if you were using, or if you are using inverse for body gaps to and so long, these will be the best entry you could have. Why? Because price just retraced and it show you clearly that it respects this for body gap. Besides, the body of the candle also respecting the disorder block, and you have an inversion. I mean, you also have this like this break here, continuation. So it's really nice. but the only problem is that I don't trade inverse for values. I mean, I could, but like, for me it's not the best because it's really confusing. It's really confusing when you're in accumulation, and it shows you a lot of. I mean, you see here, price just inverses for value. Will we enter short now because this can mean anything. Like price can reverse this for value gap, then come here and respect it and then bump higher. You know, that's the shitty part of it. Ah, it also, I don't know, I left. No, I actually swept it. Okay, so not the best. You see? That's what I was talking about. Alright. I'm not sure if I wanna see price. Still going higher. I mean, I know it is. But what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Explain to me. Why in why in 15 bullish candles you only have 2 bearish? Why, bro? Like, where the hell am I supposed to enter? Where? Here, on this. I mean, I could open in this. What do we say? Oh, 1 minute CISD. Let's open long. Price retrace back. And this for value. Let's aim to this. The mean threshold of this new weekly opening up. I mean, you could, but okay, let's have a look. We are already on this, on the big volume imbalance here. So we have nothing. We have absolutely nothing. What's the other thing we have? Fucking expansion. And the only thing you could aim for here is just, yeah, this. I know that I mean that I could use like this continuation model for like under here. I had some no, actually I did not have many opportunities like here. Did we came back to the other block here? No, we did not. And here after breaking either we did not. And what else? Oh, here I was expecting price to come onto the body. It did not. Like maybe after close up of the body, I should expect like maybe I should have entered here. Because I think this is the mean threshold. Yeah, pretty much. Well, that was my entry. The problem is that I had way too much stop loss. So here, where's my entry here? You have just fucking bullish candles. I prefer to not lose money, not to make any risk trade. Just don't trade. Sometimes it's hard, but I prefer to lose an opportunity than to lose money. You know. So I think that will be all for today. I mean, except like if price now reverse crazy way. I mean, that will be the best case scenario, but 'Cause these, what the fuck is this? But for that we will need some accumulation and reversal. So it's not that easy. Okay, we just enter the macro, and there you see a little more of volatility. Okay. Okay, I think I will close this. Ugliest press section ever. I mean, I don't know what's worse, if chubby right section or this, but it's fine. Tomorrow will be a new day. Maybe it was because of fucking Trump fighting. Let's see. What do we have tomorrow? CPI. Oh shit, yeah, right. We have high impact news, I think. No. Yes, we do. 30. The fuck, bro. I mean, we could full port this. Joking. But that's fine. We can just trade after 10. It's totally right. I don't know. We would see what's the narrative and the structure. Well, no one got in. That's alright. Thank you if anyone watched this again. And we'll see. We'll meet tomorrow again. So see you all.